I'm Sarah.
And I'm Nick, and this is CAD Micro TV. Guys, we're super excited to introduce our next guest, Mr. Robert Stanners from VRX Simulators.
Hi Robert, thank you so much for joining us. It's lovely to meet you.
Pleasure to be here.
So, if you could just kind of tell us a little bit about yourself and your company.
VRX was founded in 1999. We kind of came through in the passion for racing, hot rods, that fuel for adrenaline.
Nice.
Used to build actual race cars and hot rods back in the day. And,
Okay.
Wow.
had my first kick at the can with the old Dreamcast back in the days, which is a Sega machine, very advanced
Nice.
product.
I had one.
Yeah, well, there you go. I
you
used
did
Sega.
it, honestly.
race online as Racer X,
Cool.
and had that passion for Speed Racer in my
Nice.
days growing up, and kind of evolved over the years, and built some of my first machines just for my own personal use in the home, and from there had people come over and say, man, this is really cool, you need to get this on the market, and thought about that and said, you know, I have some visions and dreams to be able to design technology and some ways to integrate and bring the two together, and lo and behold, almost 20 years later, we've kind of stemmed at what we have here, the VRX iMotion system, and kind of gone from there.
So we should also mention that you are a Canadian company.
We are a Canadian company,
Located
proud
where?
Canadian company
Proud
on
Canadians,
Vancouver Island,
Okay.
British Columbia.
Nice.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Okay, so next we're going to talk to the actual engineer who's actually using SolidWorks, Stuart. As we're here with Stuart Bryson, he is the design mastermind behind VRX Simulators. Hi, Stuart.
Hey, how's it going?
So Stuart, can you just explain to Sarah and I and everybody at home how VRX Simulators uses SolidWorks?
So first off, VRX is a big integration company. So we actually work with our partners to take their awesome products and bring them all together into a much larger simulation product. And so we use SolidWorks to make all that happen.
Great. Okay.
Fantastic.
So can you show us a little bit today about how this works?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so Stuart, kind of take us through how this works.
So what you have here is IRacing software. It's the best on the market for simulation and racing side of things.
Okay.
So you have laser scan tracks that are basically true replications of what the real track is like.
Oh, okay.
You have a high-end steering system, so that helps to create a force feedback situation, so you know how to react on the road and how the car is actually handling and feeling. The other side of things that really helps with the whole simulation is our motion actuation system provided by DBox.
Okay.
So here we have a 6-inch system. It's the biggest one that DBox offers.
Okay.
But we also do 1.5, 3-inch, and 6 to create different driving and flight situations and recreate the different amounts of motion.
Oh,
Wow,
cool. So
interesting.
we should also mention that DBox is a Canadian company out of Montreal,
Yep.
correct?
Yep, they are. And they make a fantastic motion product.
Okay.
On the pedal side, we also offer a higher end set of pedals. With the higher end set of pedals, it helps to recreate the tactile feedback that you would normally feel in a car to actually feel the textures of the road and how the car is reacting in that sense as well.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah, so you get the higher end set of pedals, the better the feedback you get.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So let's give her a go. Let's
Yeah.
let's see what you got.
Take us on the track.
It's pretty intense. You know what? I wish you guys were here. I mean, the volume.
You can feel it
You
rumbling.
can actually feel it.
It's so real.
It's so realistic. It's insane.
Oh, I see.
Nice
So-
downshift.
Is that what that indicator is?
Yeah. Yeah.
So what you have is your best fit line as well.
Yeah.
And that's optional for the user to use.
Okay.
So while they're training, it kind of gives them an idea where they should be braking
Yeah.
and where they should be accelerating.
Exactly. So he's probably going to downshift right here,
Yep.
and then probably going to pick up the throttle right around here. Come around the bend.
You want to go for it.
Yeah. Yeah. There it is.
Crash.
You know what I mean? We were saying that the volume is pretty intense. Can you tell us a
Yeah.
little bit about the speaker system
Yeah.
that you guys have set up here?
Yep, so what we have is a 7.2 surround sound system.
Okay.
Where we actually have two JBL subs. They're about 1,000 watts a piece.
Wow.
So there's 2,000 watts of subs.
Wow.
And there's basically 7 surround speakers around you
wow.
to recreate the sounds where it is. So the game actually outputs 7.2 surround sound.
Wow.
So it's all very, very realistic and very loud and helps to put
So
you
this
into
is the
that.
complete setup then?
Yeah, so
Correct?
this is one of our highest premium setups,
Okay.
where you have the best motion with the best sound with the best steering, and you kind of get a full experience, and really helps to put you in there.
I have a feeling this guy wants to try it out.
You know what? I might not, but I think my coworker might. We might let him have a go. Stuart, thank you so much
Yep.
for taking the time to talk to us today.
Appreciate
All
it.
right.
Thank you.
Okay, so Robert, tell us about any current projects that you're working on right now.
One exciting project we have is a project in Montreal, partnered with iCar and DBox Motion.
Okay.
So we're putting in a full-on 10 simulator, very high-end motion-based training program for that track.
Oh, wow.
That launches in a few months, and got a couple other ones working with Cineplex. They're about to launch a new rec room program, entertainment, high-end entertainment, dining entertainment. We've got sort of the first, most advanced race room package.
Wow.
Wow.
So that's
That'll
pretty
be a
exciting for
huge
us.
draw too. For
It
that.
is.
Absolutely.
So
You guys-
is that the kind of market that you're going to be able to see your products out in pretty soon?
Yeah.
Okay. So for your renderings, I would assume with inside SolidWorks, you're using maybe Photo 360,
Yeah.
Composer, SolidWorks Visualize.
Yes.
Great products, guys, to help you get some really strong marketing materials.
Fantastic. Well, Robert, thank you so much for joining us today. We
Absolute
really
pleasure.
appreciate your
Really
time.
nice to
Yes.
meet. We had a lot of fun, guys. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Nick. We'll see you soon.